Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of art as we explore the intricate process of drawing and shading a skull using Lumograph Mars, Conte Paris pastel pencil and an eyeshadow sponge tip applicator, all while implementing the Loomis method. Now, what makes this technique so special is its combination of traditional old tools and with modern methods, allowing for a unique and dynamic approach to sketching and shading. The Lumograph Mars and the white color pastel pencil provides a smooth and blendable texture, perfect for creating depth and dimension in our artwork. And who wouldn't have thought that an eyeshadow pad could be repurposed to enhance our shading techniques? It's all about thinking outside the box and experimenting with different materials to achieve stunning results. But of course, technique is just one piece of the puzzle. The Loomis method, named after legendary artist Andrew Loomis, serves as our guiding principle, helping us to accurately construct the skull's proportions and features with precision and fitness. By understanding and underlying a structure of the skull and mastering the principles of light and shadow, we are able to create a lifelike and captivating piece of art that truly comes to life on the page. So, whether you are a seasoned artist looking to expand your repertoire or a beginner eager to learn new techniques, I encourage you to grab your pencils and join me on this artistic journey. Together, let's explore the beauty and intricacy of human skull and a stroke at a time. Until next time, happy drawing!